Okay. You were just checking your credit.
Tú me estás filmando.
You were just checking your credit.
Yes, I was checking the credit.
No, the credit.
Oh, I was checking credit.
No, me.
My credit.
Okay. Otra
I
vez.
was checking my credit.
And what's going on with your credit?
My credit was no. My credit went too high or up.
Up. See.
Up.
So my credit went up.
Yeah, exactly. My credit went up.
How many points?
13 point.
It went up 13 points.
13, no 13.
No. Yo dije, it went up 13 points.
Yeah.
¿Qué dije?
Repeat.
It went up 13 points.
Ah.
It went up 13 points. It went up 13 points.
Yes.
¿Qué estoy diciendo?
Que fue 13 puntos
Que subió.
Que subió. Pero déjame terminar de traducir.
Estabas tardando para terminar.
Pero,
I just told you.
Pero tú sabes que yo soy retrasado.
No, you can't be retrasado.
I can.
No, you can't. You can't. So, it went up 30 points. Why do you think it went up 30 points?
What?
Why do you think that it went up 30 points?
I don't know. Maybe you used to be more pay.
No. ¿Qué tú quieres decir?
Tú estás usando no más pago.
No, estás haciendo pagos a tiempo.
You are.
So,
you are
haciendo,
paying,
making pagos,
making
payments.
Payments.
Making payments.
You are making payments on time.
Sí, okay, so a lo mejor estás haciendo pagos a tiempo. No, ¿cómo no?
You are making payment on
No,
time.
tal vez estás haciendo pagos a tiempo.
Maybe you are making payment on time.
Oh, okay. So, what happens if your credit falls below 600?
600.
Yeah, what happens if your credit falls below 600? ¿Qué estoy diciendo?
It's fair. ¿Qué pasa si el crédito está en 600 puntos?
Mm-hmm.
Entonces, el crédito tienes que trabajarlo. O es fair.
It would need work.
In work.
Need work.
I need work.
Needs work porque es ella necesita.
Trabajar.
So, obviamente, need se tiene que agregar ese.
Entonces, you need works more.
No.
No work.
You need to work more.
You need to work more.
Sí. El crédito se tiene que trabajar. Digo, el crédito tienes que trabajar.
Tú tienes que trabajar.
Digo, el crédito tiene que trabajar. Eso es decir que te van a poner needs work. Que el crédito necesita trabajo. ¿Qué es él?
It.
It. Okay. Necesita.
It
Needs.
needs work.
So, what happens if your credit falls below 600?
500,
600.
600. It needs work more
It needs more work.
or more work.
Tú solo quieres complicarlo porque tú no tenías que decir more.
Pero
It needs work. It needs work. Yeah.
Hay que agregar algo más.
So, what would happen if you? What happens if you don't have good credit?
Don't.
Mm-hmm. What happens if you have bad credit?
You can't pay nothing.
You can pay.
No, you can't.
No, you can pay. You cannot buy.
No, tú no. Buy. Yeah, buy. You can buy nothing.
You can't buy nothing. Like what?
You
Like what?
can
Give me an
buy-
example. Give me an example.
You can't buy a house, car,
Dog.
cell phone.
Oh, you can't. Okay, so que tu crédito te baje más para que no puedas comprar otro celular.
No, cállate. Shut up.